Okay, dear student, how are you? All in the today's session, we are going to know about the lesson True Height. The theme of this unit is games and sports. The theme of the unit is games and sports. In this first reading, in this theme, the first reading is True Height. True Height. There is a in the first page, in the first sheet or pre-reading, they gave a one quotation. That quotation is, I will read one. I will read. Listen carefully. Dream, dream, and dream high. For dreams lead to thoughts, and thoughts lead to actions. According to this quotation, what is this quotation tells us? This quotation is an inspiration, as if young and motivational quotation. It is a motivational and inspiring quotation and very essential to dream high. Our dreams will be very essential to dream high. It gives us a work hard. It gives us a to work hard and determine in our life something we dream. What you dream, your dream is so high and your thoughts will be dreams leads to thoughts అంటే మన యొక్క కళలు మన హైగా ఉంటే మన కళలు మనకి ఆలోచనలను లేపుతాయి ఆ థాట్స్ లీడ్స్ టు యాక్షన్ ద థాట్స్ అంటే ఆలోచనలు మనం ఆ డ్రీమ్కి ఎట్లా అచీవ్ అవ్వాలి అనేసి మన యొక్క యాక్షన్ ప్లాన్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది సో హార్డ్ వర్క్ అండ్ డిటర్మినేషన్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్ సంథింగ్ we dream of. A person must always remember own dreams. A person must always remember his own dreams and go ahead with perfect plan to make his or her dreams come true. Besides, hard work, determination and perseverance are essential. When we have to achieve our goal, we have to do main things. We will do hard work and determination and perseverance are most essential in our life. Okay. Here is a story. మీరందరూ రాజా ది గ్రేట్ సినిమా చూసిండొచ్చు కదా అందులో మధ్యలో మీరెవరు మాట్లాడద్దు ట్రూ హైట్స్ ఈ రాజా ది గ్రేట్ మూవీలో అతనేంటి ఒక బ్లైండ్ పర్సన్ అతను కబడ్డీ ఆడతాడు ఫైటింగ్ చేస్తాడు అన్ని తను చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి హార్డ్ వర్క్ తోటి అన్నీ నేర్చుకుంటాడు this story also is like that. Here is a man. That man was a blind person. He was a blind person. He achieved the National Junior Olympics in pole vaulting. National Junior Olympics in pole vaulting. How a blind person achieved the gold medal in pole vaulting. It is very hard. Normal person is it is very easy to do work means, but it is screens. It is not a video. It is a screenshot. The fields of an athlete, how to pursue his dreams, the story of an athlete to achieve his goal, what he learned in his parents. The Michael Stone, the main character in this lesson is a Michael Stone. The Michael Stone, he is an athlete. How Michael pursue his dreams. This true heights of an athlete, how he achieved the goal, what he learned in his parents. He is going to take test on his career, a stand on the artificial grass. The story talks about the feelings of an athlete as he pursues his dreams. Okay, he was very nerve-wracking day. It is a nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life as he prepared to take nerve rocking means టెన్షన్ తోటి అంటే ఆ రోజు తను ఫైనల్ పోల్ వాల్టింగ్ చేయాలి ఇట్లా టెన్షన్తో ఉన్నాడు అనమాట ఆ రోజు he feels very tense. It is an how inspiring achievement that will leave you breathless. This is a story, inspiring story, how a blind person achieved his goal. His palms was sweating. He needed a towel to dry his grip. A glass of ice water quenched his thirst but hardly cooled his intensity. He was very tense and his palms means arachetulu. His palms were sweating. So he needed a towel. Michael needed a towel to dry his grip. Michael drank a glass of ice water, but he quenched his thirst, but hardly cooled his intensity. Okay, as Astro stuff, he sat and was as hot as the competition he faced today at the National Junior Olympics. The pole was set at 17 feet. The pole was set at 17 feet. ఆస్ట్రోటఫ్ అంటే మీరు టీవీలో అట్లలో చూసింటారు కదా గ్రౌండ్లో పచ్చటి గడ్డిలాగా ఉంటుంది అది ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ గ్రాస్ అంటారు అది చాలా Nana, don't disturb in the middle. Okay, I will send afterwards this video. Michael Stone's father name is Bert Stone. Michael Stone's father name is a Bert Stone and his mother name is Millard Stone. Michael Stone's mother name is a Millard Stone and his father name is Bert Stone. This story talks about the feelings of an athlete. This story talks about the feelings of an athlete as he pursues his dreams. How he pursues his dreams. The story talks about the Michael Stone's feelings. It is about a nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life. It is a nerve-wracking day, Michael Stone's life. Michael Stone's life as they prepared to take the ultimate test of his sports career. Michael Stone's life is an prepared to take ultimate test. He done hard work and he determination and perseverance. He prepared to complete the final test. It was an inspiring achievement that will leave you breathless. This story is very inspiring. How the Michael Stone achieved his goal. How he win the Olympic gold medal. He pole vaulting, he jumped 17 feet and 6.5 inches. Means the height is nearly 2-stair building. అంటే 2 అంతస్తుల భవనం ఎంత హైట్ ఉంటుందో అంత హైట్లో నుంచి ఇతను జంప్ చేయాలి. Michael Stone was a blind man. Michael Stone was a blind man who had a dream flying. He has a dream to flying. ఇతను ఒక బ్లైండ్ పర్సన్ అతను ఎగరాలి అనేసి ఒక కోరిక అనమాట. He wanted to become a pole vaulter to fulfill his dream. Pole vaulting is a truly glamour event of any track and field competition. Pole vaulting is a very glamour game event that any track truly a glamorous event and any track and field competition. Pole vault, a sport on which you use a long pole to swing over the high barrier. అంటే ఒక మీరు జనరల్గా హై జంప్ అవి చేస్తుంటారు కదా లాంగ్ జంప్ కాకుండా హై జంప్లో మీరు ఒక పోల్ని ఒక స్టిక్ని అడ్డంగా పెట్టేసి జంప్ చేస్తుంటారు. దట్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ పోల్ వాల్టింగ్ చాలా హైలో ఉంటుంది. ఈయన యొక్క రికార్డ్ వచ్చేసి 17 feet 6.5 inches. This is a world record. Okay, pole vaulting is a sport in which you see a long pole to swing over a high barrier. Okay. Michael had gone inspiration from his mother. Michael had grown inspiration from his mother. His mother told very interesting stories from his childhood. Um, Michael could remember he had always dreamed of flying. Michael's mother read him memories, numerous stories. Michael's mother told numerous means number of stories about flying, about flying. When he was growing up, her stories were always the one that described the land from bird's eye view. His mother always telling stories how to fly, how to fly. So Michael was dream to pole vaulting from childhood. He always remembering about flying. As he was growing up, she used to describe the landscape. He used to describe landscapes from a bird's eye view. Bird's eye view అంటే పై నుంచి ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది అనేది ఆమె ఎప్పుడు చెప్తుందన్నమాట. They were very fascinating for young Michael. That stories were very interesting and very fascinating. So Michael interested in the pole vaulting. Her excitement and his excitement and passion for details made Michael dreams full of colors and beauty. Her excitement, Michael's excitement and passion for details made Michael's dreams full of colors and beauty. He made his reoccurring dreams of flying over the beautiful landscapes. He always thinking about he jumped over the landscape. Landscape means prakruti dusyalu. Beautiful landscape. He could feel the rocks and chunks of dirt at the feet while he was running down a country road. When he was practicing time, when Michael is practicing time, he feel that the dirt, that rocks and chunks of dirt at the feet while he was running down is the countryside. Next, Bert Stone, his father. His father was a Bert Stone, B-E-R-T, Bert. His father was a Bert Stone, was not a dreamer. Michael's mother always tell flying stories, but his father was different to his mother, where he flew always coincide with his mother's stories. His dad, on the other hand, was not a dreamer. Michael's father was not a dreamer. He was a hardcore realist. Michael's father was a hardcore realist. Hardcore realist. Bert Stone was a hardcore realist. He believed in hard work and sweat. Michael Stone's father believed in హార్డ్ వర్క్ అండ్ స్వెట్. అంటే దేనికోసమైనా కష్టపడి చెమటోడిస్తేనే అనుకున్నది సాధించవచ్చు అనేసి మైకిల్ ఫాదర్ యొక్క మోటో అనమాట. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ సంథింగ్ వర్క్ ఫర్ ఇట్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ సంథింగ్, if your goal is to become a doctor, you work for it, you study for that. You want to become a police officer, you work for it, to fit your body, to improve your knowledge. So if you have any goal, for that goal you work hard, you work for that. Michael, a lot of dedication, determination, discipline. Michael has a lot of dedication. Dedication ante what is the meaning of dedication? Dedication means అంకిత భావంతో మనం అనుకున్న దానికోసము బాగా కష్టపడాలి. డిటర్మినేషన్ అంటే ఏది వచ్చినా కానీ, ఎన్ని అడ్డంకులు వచ్చినా కానీ మనం అనుకున్నది సాధించాలి, సంకల్పం. డిసిప్లైన్, ముందు మెయిన్గా ఉండాల్సింది డిసిప్లైన్. ఈ 3 ఉంటే మనం అనుకున్న దాన్ని ఖచ్చితంగా సాధించవచ్చు. మనం అనుకున్నది ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఖచ్చితంగా సాధించవచ్చు. From the age of 14, Michael did just that. He began very careful and regimented weightlifting program. He worked out every other day with weights, with some kinds of running works and alternate days. Michael was worked every day with weights, with some kind of running works on athletes. The program was carefully monitored by Michael Stone's coach, trainer, and father. Michael Stone's work is watching his trainer. His trainer is his father only, his trainer and his coach. What is his father name? Bert Stone. Michael's dedication, determination, and discipline was coach dreams. Michael's dedication, determination was the coach dream. Next. Michael was very systematic, dramatics and weightlifting and running. He showed a lot of dedication, determination and discipline. Michael Stone continued to help his parents with their farm course. Michael's doing practice and he is a honest student and he is helping to his parents in the farms also. Michael's persistence is string of for perfection, not only his absence but his passion. Michael Stones was a good, honest student and he helped his parents and his passion is a pole vaulting. Next. Mildred Stone, Michael's mother, wished that he could relax a bit more, be that free, dreaming little boy. On one occasion, she attempted to talk him to his father about this, but his dad quickly interrupted, smiled and said, "You want something, work for it." Mildred's mother told some of these stories to Michael. All the Michael's waltz today seemed to be a reward for his hard work. It is that day came, Michael wanted to show the reward for his hard work. As soon as they landed on the inflated land mats and with the crowd on his feet. Okay. He climbed in his first jump at 17 feet. At 17 feet, 2 inches, he cleaned the final jump 17 feet, 6.5 inches. Michael Stone's best jump record is, first record is 17 feet, 2 inches. But in Olympics, his final jump, his record is 17 feet, 6.5 inches. He is not only won the National Junior Olympics, but also set the new national and international Olympic record. He not only set the Junior Olympics record, అంటే అతను నేషనల్ ఒలింపిక్ జూనియర్ ఒలింపిక్ మెడలే గెలుచుకోలేదు. అతను రికార్డ్ బద్దలు కొట్టారంటారు కదా, అట్లా 17 feet 6.5 inches ఎవరు అంత హై జంప్ చేయలేదన్నమాట. He was delighted at the smile on his mother's face. He was delighted at the smile on his mother's face. His father, Bert Stone, could not control his emotions. He won the final Olympics. His father could not control his emotions and hugged his wife and cried. He shed the tears of pride. అతని యొక్క ఫాదర్కి మైకేల్ యొక్క అంటే మెడల్ సాధించేటప్పటికి కన్నీళ్ళు ఆగలేకపోయినాయి అనమాట. వాళ్ళ అమ్మని గట్టిగా పట్టుకొని ఏడ్చేసినాడు. ఆ కన్నీళ్ళు ఏంటి? టీయర్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రైడ్, అంటే ఆనంద బాష్పాలు అంటారు కదా, అవన్నమాట. The people hugged and congratulated because he was a true height. All the people, all the audience are congratulating to the Michael. Michael's life would never be the same. It was not just because he won the National Junior Olympics and set a new world record, and it was not because he had just increased his personal best of 9.5 inches. It is simply because Michael Stone was a blind person. It is a it is not simply because a blind person how he practice and how he achieve the his goal.